In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do bookkeeping with Freshbooks. We'll walk through the core things you need to keep your books organized, tracking income, tracking expenses, and handling a few key accounting tasks right inside Freshbooks. By the end, you'll know how to move from raw transactions to clear, accurate financial records. Let's start with tracking income. In Freshbooks, this is done mainly through invoices. From your dashboard, head over to the Invoices section and choose the option to create a new invoice. Freshbooks gives you a clean template, and you can drag your business logo right onto it so your invoices look professional and on brand. Next, add your client and the basic invoice details. You can choose an existing client from your list or quickly add a new one with their contact information. Then set the issue date and the due date so your client knows exactly when payment is expected. Freshbooks will automatically generate an invoice number for you, which keeps everything organized and easy to reference later. Now it's time to add line items. These are the services or products you're billing for. You can pull them from your existing items and services list or type them in as you go. Enter the rate and the quantity for each line, and Freshbooks will calculate the totals for you. This helps reduce manual errors and speeds up your invoicing. Before sending, take a moment to customize the invoice. Add any taxes that apply in your region, include deposits if you require them, and attach supporting documents like contracts or timesheets. You can also adjust the visual style to match your brand, set the invoice to recur automatically for ongoing work, and enable reminders so clients get a nudge if they're late paying. Once everything looks good, send the invoice directly to your client's email from within Freshbooks. Next, let's record your expenses. You can enter expenses manually by typing in the date, vendor, amount, and a short description. If you have receipts, you can import or upload them so they're stored and backed up with the transaction. Make sure to categorize each expense into the appropriate account, like office supplies, software, or travel. Good categorization is crucial when it's time to run reports or do your taxes. If an expense relates to a particular project, link it to that project so you can track how profitable that job really is. Finally, Freshbooks lets you handle core accounting tasks. If you have transactions that don't neatly fit into invoices or standard expenses, go to the accounting section and open the journal entries area. Here you can create manual entries and, if needed, set up new accounts so everything is mapped correctly. In that same accounting section, you'll also reconcile your accounts. This means comparing your bank statements with the transactions in Freshbooks and making sure the balances match. Reconciliation catches duplicates, missing entries, and any errors, which is essential for accurate books. When your data is up to date, generate your financial statements. Run a profit and loss report to see your income, expenses, and overall profit for a selected period. You can also generate a balance sheet to view your assets, liabilities, and equity. These reports give you a clear snapshot of your business's financial health and make decision-making much easier. And that's the process for doing your bookkeeping in Freshbooks. Create and send invoices, record and categorize expenses, handle key accounting tasks, and review your financial reports regularly so you always know where your business stands.